We so appreciate the gift of the trees more than 100 years ago and our continued friendship and the ways we were able to build on that friendship.
I sincerely hope that the cherry trees in the Tidal Basin will bloom eternally as a symbol of the strong ties between Japan and the United States.
This generous gift from Japan is to replace trees that will have to be removed to repair the tidal basin. I'm Paul Cannonen with the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Plant Protection and Quarantine Group of our Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service. Normally, prunus plants, which are cherries are a member of that family, would not be allowed entry to the United States at all because of a variety of virus diseases they carry within the plant. We were able to assist this gift of cherry trees by bringing them to our plant inspection station in Beltsville, Maryland, and performing an inspection. We've used hand lenses to examine the branches and the leaves for any visible pests. We can examine the roots the same way. If there were to be nematodes, you would see the damage on the roots. These plants were beautiful and we found no pests at all. Once they're planted in the greenhouse, we can do a variety of far more detailed tests. So this is a long-term process, not a short-term one.
My name is Joseph Foster. I am the director of the Plant Germplasm Quarantine Program. This is a quarantine facility. It's designed to keep out domestic pests and to keep in any foreign pests that may come in with the plant material. We grow it, we test it, do therapy if we find anything wrong, and we try to distribute as much as possible pathogen-free plant material. There's a constant pressure of pests coming into the country and we need to be able to control them. And this is a cost-effective way that we can do that.
Say there's a land-grant university that wants to improve cherry tree varieties, they could go through this process here and then we'd release it to them and they could then use it in a breeding program to get an even better cherry or a cherry that's resistant to a disease. So it benefits all the parties by facilitating trade and building trust. Both sides win. So these 4 trees will be grown out for the next 1 year to 2 years and will be planted in that very area around that lantern for generations to come.